Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the universal remote has fresh batteries and is set to TV or code search mode. This matters because weak power or wrong mode prevents signals. Turn on your Skyworth TV now, using its power button if needed. The TV must be active for code learning. Once done, stand within about 6 feet and point the remote at the TV's IR sensor. Make sure there are no obstructions and ambient light is reduced, since interference can drop the code search process. You now perform the code search sequence. Press and hold the remote's code search button until the LED stays lit, then press TV. This tells the remote to cycle through stored codes. It's precise because each code maps to specific TV command sets. If the universal remote has a Skyworth code list, try those codes first to save time. Once the TV responds, power toggles, or volume moves, press the lock or enter key to save that code. Then verify power, volume, and input buttons all work consistently. You finish by testing every primary function: power, volume, input, menu, and guide. This confirms the saved code covers typical controls. If some keys don't work, repeat the auto search. Sometimes a different stored code matches better. If you have the Skyworth original remote, use the Universal's learning mode to capture specific commands. Aim remotes at each other per instructions. If nothing helps, replace batteries, realign the IR emitter, or reset the universal remote and run the sequence again. These steps fix most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.